If you want to be an IAS, IPS or an IFS officer, then mains answer writing is going to be the most difficult thing for every civil service aspirant. Imagine that the whole mains answer writing is like a game of cricket. Some might even tell you that you should play like Sachin Tendulkar and always play on the offside and score runs. Some might even tell you that you should be Mahendra Singh Dhoni and always pull up the shots on the leg side and score runs. Have you ever explored your writing skill or your writing style? What matters in cricket and civil services mains is all about scoring the maximum runs or scoring the maximum marks. So, in this answer writing session, we'll discuss the most important strategic steps and styles of answer writing. Imagine that you have a mains question like this. The terrorist activities and mutual distress clouded India-Pakistan relations. To what extent the use of soft power like sports and cultural exchange could help generate goodwill between the two countries? Discuss with suitable examples. When you see a question like this, the first thing that should come in your mind is, what is the heart and soul of a question in this? And after finding it, find out what is the pedal point of a question, which I have marked it in green. After finding it, how do you do justice to the questions or make sense? Once you have cleared with the question breakup, then look at the answer writing part. What is a balanced writing? What is the relevancy rate of your answer? And what is placement of point? And what is the concept of page sense? When to use the diagrams, text, thematics, and a lot of people will have a question, should I write a text-based answer? Should I use a diagrammatic answer? Should I make a point-based answer? We'll find out all this in this answer writing session. And I'll also tell you about how to write a good essay for your mains exam. And also that we have a fantastic idea of the art of note making using the TCM method, the trick score methods. The big long paragraphs like this can be easily solved with brevity and clarity and can be created like a big beautiful note like this using the TCM method. All these things we'll discuss it in the answer writing workshop of LearnStroke.